Hello, Yum Chanters! Happiness is seeing you back on my channel. New watchers, please subscribe to Yum Chanted. Our motto is cook wise, eat wise, and be calorie wise. Today's video is very special to me as this is the first request I received from one of my subscribers, and it's a sweet. None other than a protein and fiber rich energy booster peanut chicky, also known as peanut brittle. I have made this using peanuts and jaggery and coated it with rose petals. I have included tips to make your chicky preparation easy and worthwhile. This recipe makes 400 grams of peanut chicky cut into approximately 20 pieces. Each piece is about 25 kilocalories. Let's start by roasting 200 grams of peanuts on medium flame. Keep stirring continuously to guarantee they are uniformly roasted. Some of them start to deskin. Roast them till you see black spots on their cover like this. Cool them to room temperature. Transfer them to a cloth, close it and rub in this manner to remove the cover on the peanuts. Open the cloth carefully and crush the peanuts with the help of a cup to make sure they are thoroughly deskinned. Close the cloth once again and rub them. Now filter the skin using a wide sieve to separate out the peanuts. Here are our deskinned peanuts. Now let's go to the next step. Take any flat surface board or plate, cover it with butter paper and grease it with butter. We will use it once chicky preparation is done. Let's start melting 200 grams of jaggery using 60 ml water. Stir continuously. There are 4 most important steps in making a perfect chicky. First, melt jaggery on low to medium flame. Second, melt jaggery beyond 1 string consistency and keep checking it at every possible stage. Third one, do not melt jaggery past the hard ball consistency. Always maintain 1:1 proportion of nuts to jaggery. Keep stirring continuously. Once you observe that melted jaggery is starting to thicken, add 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground cardamom and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Pour few drops of melted jaggery into a cup of water to check if it is ready. Jaggery strings should break when stretched. They are not breaking here. It is not ready yet. Melt further and keep checking. Please be patient as this is the most crucial step. Let's check now again. Melted jaggery strings are breaking. It can be rolled into a small ball and sounds like a pebble when you throw it on table. Now is this perfect time to add roasted peanuts. Mix uniformly. It took about 20 plus minutes for jaggery to get to this stage on medium-low flame. When mixing peanuts, you will observe strings of jaggery forming. Now turn off the flame and transfer this mixture onto the flat surface we greased earlier. With the help of another sheet of butter paper and rolling pin, roll it into a flat surface to a thickness of about 0.5 centimeters to 1 centimeter. Be as quick as you can before chicky starts to solidify. sprinkle some rose petals. This step is optional. Using a knife or pizza cutter, gently make marks on chicky so that it is easy to break it once it solidifies. Let it set for at least half an hour. Follow this recipe and get a perfect chicky, not too hard, not too brittle. This traditional, time-tested and ever-popular snack is known to be full of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats and a great snack during winter times. I would say you can enjoy it anytime but in limited amounts. For more such yummy, easy and healthy recipes, stay tuned to Yumchanted. Please subscribe, like and share. If you want any specific recipe, please write in the comment box. Adios, till my next video.